Do you ever wonder if the Earth actually rotates? Well, I'm here to present you with 6 compelling pieces of evidence that prove it does. First, let's look at the Coriolis effect, which is the apparent deflection of moving objects due to the Earth's rotation. Next, consider the Foucault pendulum, a device that demonstrates the rotation of the Earth as it swings in a predictable pattern. Another piece of evidence is the changing position of the stars. As we observe them throughout the year, they appear to shift due to the Earth's rotation. The rotation of the Earth also causes day and night. As we experience the sun rising and setting, it's clear that our planet is spinning on its axis. Furthermore, the movement of weather patterns provides evidence of the Earth's rotation. Hurricanes and typhoons change direction based on the rotation of the planet. Satellites orbiting the Earth also support the notion of its rotation. They need to constantly adjust their positions to stay in orbit, taking the Earth's rotation into account. The presence of the equatorial bulge is another piece of evidence. The Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator, a result of its rotational forces. Take a look at time zones around the world. The fact that different parts of the globe experience different times is a direct result of the Earth's rotation. Lastly, consider the existence of the International Space Station. It orbits the Earth, and its crew experiences multiple sunrises and sunsets in a day. In conclusion, the evidence is clear. The Earth does indeed rotate, and these 6 points provide a strong case to support that fact. So next time you look up at the stars, remember that they are moving because our beautiful planet is constantly spinning.